the ABC Learning Lane, where learning is fun.
Dolphin. Dolphins are super smart and use clicks and whistles to talk. They can swim faster than most fish and love to play in groups. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms and can escape predators by squirting ink. They're masters of camouflage and can change color instantly. Penguin. Penguins can't fly, but they swim like rockets underwater. They stay warm with thick feathers and huddle together in cold weather. Seahorse. Seahorses swim upright and use their tails to hold on to plants. Amazingly, the dads carry the babies until they're born. Blue whale. Blue whales are the biggest animals ever to live, even bigger than dinosaurs. Their hearts can weigh as much as a car. Tiger shark. Tiger sharks eat almost anything in the ocean and have sharp senses that help them hunt at night. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have no brain or bones, but they can still sting. Some glow beautifully in the dark ocean. King crab. King crabs have huge claws and strong shells. They can grow as wide as a person's arm span. Clownfish. Clownfish live safely among sea anemones' stinging tentacles, and they communicate with little popping sounds. Seal. Seals are great swimmers and can hold their breath for over 20 minutes. They use whiskers to detect fish. Sea turtle. Sea turtles can live for decades and migrate thousands of miles. They always return to the beach where they were born. Stingray. Stingrays glide gracefully along the seafloor, and their flat bodies help them hide under sand. Sea otter. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping, so they don't drift apart. They crack open food with rocks. Lionfish. Lionfish have beautiful striped fins, but they're venomous. They're fast hunters that strike in a split second. Eel. Eels have long, snake-like bodies and can swim backward. Some electric species create powerful shocks. Barracuda. Barracudas are super fast swimmers with razor-sharp teeth. They can dart forward like a torpedo. Blue tang. Blue tangs are bright blue reef fish, and they use their sharp tail spines for protection. Lobster. Lobsters use their big claws for defense and hunting, and they can live surprisingly long lives. Walrus. Walruses use their giant tusks to pull themselves onto ice. They love resting in big, noisy groups. Shrimp. Shrimp have transparent bodies and can snap their claws so fast, it creates tiny bubbles and shock waves. Orca. Orcas, or killer whales, are powerful hunters who live in family pods and communicate with unique calls. Squid. Squid zoom through the water by jet propulsion and create clouds of ink when threatened. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs borrow shells for protection and switch to bigger ones as they grow. Whale shark. Whale sharks are the largest fish in the sea, but they're gentle giants who eat tiny plankton. Moorish idol. Moorish idols have striking stripes and long dorsal fins. They're one of the most recognizable reef fish. Sea snail. Sea snails glide along the seafloor with a soft foot and have shells for protection. Parrotfish. Parrotfish bite coral with beak, like mouths, and even make sand as they digest it. Starfish. Starfish can regrow lost arms and move using hundreds of tiny tube feet. Sea urchin. Sea urchins protect themselves with sharp spines and eat algae on rocks. Guitarfish. Guitarfish look part shark and part ray, and they glide smoothly close to the sandy bottom. Flounder. Flounders lie flat on the seafloor and both eyes end up on one side of their body. Crinoid. Crinoids wave their feathery arms to catch food drifting by and resemble underwater flowers. Zebra shark. Zebra sharks have beautiful spots as adults and long tails that help them move gracefully. Angelfish. Angelfish are colorful reef dwellers with tall fins and bold patterns. Spider crab. Spider crabs have super long legs and can camouflage themselves with algae. Pufferfish. Pufferfish inflate into balls when scared and can contain strong toxins. Batfish. Batfish walk along the seafloor using their fins and have unusual shapes and colors. Sponge. Sponges filter water for food and are some of the oldest, simplest animals on Earth. Manatee. Manatees are gentle giants that graze on seagrass and rise often for air. Goby. Gobies perch on rocks and form partnerships with shrimp that dig burrows. Garden eel. Garden eels poke halfway out of the sand and sway with the current to grab food. Sea slug. Sea slugs come in bright colors and can absorb stinging cells from their prey. Elephant seal. Elephant seals can dive incredibly deep, and males have big noses used to make loud calls. Cowfish. Cowfish have boxy bodies and tiny horns, and they can puff up when threatened. Sea snake. Sea snakes are extremely venomous, but very graceful swimmers who hardly come to land. Nurse shark. Nurse sharks rest on the seafloor and use suction to pull prey from hiding places. Triggerfish. Triggerfish lock their fins in place for defense and nibble on hard-shelled prey. Sand dollar. Sand dollars are flat relatives of sea urchins and leave star-shaped patterns when they dry. Fiddler crab. Fiddler crabs have one huge claw that males wave to attract mates. Eagle ray. Eagle rays leap out of the water and flap their wide wings as they glide. Blacktip shark. Blacktip sharks have black-tipped fins and often jump while feeding. Sea anemone. Sea anemones use stinging tentacles to catch food and host clownfish safely. Man-o-war. The man-o-war isn't one animal, it's a colony with long, painful, stinging tentacles. Coral. Corals build reefs by growing tiny skeletons, creating homes for thousands of sea species. Damselfish. Damselfish fiercely defend their territory and live among coral reefs. Mackerel. Mackerels swim in big schools and are super fast, streamlined fish. Manta ray. Manta rays have huge wingspans and glide like underwater birds. Maxima clam. Giant clams can weigh hundreds of pounds and get energy from sunlight. Tuna fish. Tuna are incredibly fast swimmers and travel long distances across oceans. Sea pen. Sea pens are colonies shaped like feathers and glow softly underwater. Mandarin fish. Mandarin fish have beautiful rainbow colors and perform special mating dances. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish change color and texture instantly and are very intelligent hunters. Beluga whale. Belugas are known as sea canaries because they make many different sounds. Blue crab. Blue crabs have bright blue claws and can swim sideways or backward. Sardine. Sardines move in giant shimmering schools to stay safe from predators. Dugong. Dugongs graze on seagrass and are close relatives of manatees. Nudibranch. Nudibranchs are colorful sea slugs with amazing patterns and sometimes steal stings from their prey. Cardinalfish. Cardinalfish hide in rocks by day and hunt at night. Lamprey. Lampreys have round, sucker mouths and are ancient jawless fish. Salmon. Salmon travel from the ocean back to rivers to lay eggs, jumping up waterfalls on the way. Marlin. Marlins are powerful fish with spear-like snouts and incredible speed. catfish. Catfish use whisker-like barbels to sense food in murky water. Spiny lobster. Spiny lobsters have long antennae and migrate in long lines across the seafloor. Bull shark. Bull sharks can swim in both saltwater and freshwater and are very strong. Butterfly fish. Butterfly fish have bold stripes and swim in pairs around coral reefs. Frogfish. Frogfish use camouflage and can walk on their fins, striking prey instantly. Sperm whale. Sperm whales dive deep to hunt giant squid and have the largest brains on Earth. Swordfish. Swordfish use their long, sharp bills to slash through schools of fish. Oyster. Oysters filter water for food and sometimes produce pearls inside their shells. Halibut. Halibut flatten themselves on the seafloor and both eyes move to one side. Surgeonfish. Surgeonfish have sharp tail spines and swim in colorful schools. Marine iguana. Marine iguanas dive for seaweed and spit out salt after coming ashore. White-tip shark. White-tip reef sharks rest in caves by day and hunt at night. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crabs have blue blood and are older than dinosaurs. Tiger grouper. Tiger groupers change color to blend in and strike prey with powerful jaws. Anchovy. Anchovies swim in huge shimmering schools and feed near the surface. Basking shark. Basking sharks are giant filter feeders that swim with their mouths wide open. Blue lobster. Blue lobsters are very rare and get their bright color from a special pigment. Unicorn fish. Unicorn fish have horn-like bumps on their heads and live around coral reefs. Honeycomb moray. These eels have a spotted pattern and hide in reef cracks. great white shark. Great white sharks sense tiny electrical signals and leap from the water while hunting. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers clean the seafloor by eating sand and recycling nutrients. Humpback whale. Humpback whales sing long songs and make giant splashes with their flippers. Dungeness crab. Dungeness crabs have strong claws and hide under sand when threatened. Yellowtail snapper. Yellowtail snappers are fast reef fish with bright yellow stripes. Discus fish. Discus fish have round, colorful bodies and care for their young. Leopard shark. Leopard sharks have beautiful dark spots and swim in shallow coastal waters. Leafy sea dragon. Leafy sea dragons blend in with seaweed and float gracefully. Flying fish. Flying fish glide above the water by spreading their long fins. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks use their wide heads to scan for prey and navigate the ocean. Wow! Great job, everyone! You've just learned all about 100 sea animals today. How incredible is that? If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting animal adventures. See you next time!